The Master of Supply Chain Transportation and Logistics program at the University of Washington is a high-touch, largely online program. We have a really deep focus on the transportation and logistics components of supply chain.
The trends in technology, the data analytics to learn to make the data-driven decision, and hands-on experience on the problem you are trying to solve. It is a complete package that you will get to learn end-to-end supply chain.
All 10 of our courses are focused on transportation and logistics, operations of supply chain, the day-to-day, quarterly strategic decisions that an organization has to make to actually run the components of a supply chain. And we move our students from analysts and managers to students who really have deep insight about modern tools, modern problems, and can lead in supply chain once they're finished.
Once I got accepted into the program, I was actually promoted and put onto a team that had higher responsibilities that required a higher skill level, knowing that I was going to get that out of this program. I was able to interact with my senior managers and my management team and my directors on a higher level almost immediately.
Most of our faculty have built their expertise professionally through working in the supply chain, transportation, logistics field.
So you can talk to them about a real-life problem, and they have the expertise to tell you how they deal with it.
The SCTL program was designed to be an engaging experience online. We have interactive weekly synchronous sessions for each course.
Anything that you wanted extra help with, your professor was, one email or one text away. Similarly, you have your cohorts, and the beauty of this course is you're put in groups, so you always have that, back support system, which is really key for any individual to be successful in this program.
I chose to engage with the program full-time, so I was able to finish it in 1 year instead of 2, which is the standard flow that I found a lot of my classmates worked better for their lives and their situations. I was able to balance my job at work and my job at home as a husband and a father. Having that 1 year option really made this possible.
So our students all start in September. The first thing they do is they come to Seattle and they spend 3 full days, 3 intensive days with their peers.
I think the residency was a great icebreaker and allowed us to familiarize ourselves with each other and establish bonds that we otherwise wouldn't have gotten from an online program.
So they, really create friendships and connections that will help support them throughout the entire degree.
By the end of 2 years, I had 2 promotion and 2 role change. And I would say this happened because I could really put this experience into my work life, prove that I have something that I can bring it to the table and that can help my company grow. And I think overall this course helped me get that hands-on experience that I was looking for.
I couldn't imagine a more successful place for this program to be run out of, being that we have manufacturing, shipping, technology, logistics all around us in Seattle. So Seattle is the perfect place because we got insights from leaders in each of those categories that were able to come in and talk to us.
It's a fantastic time to be in supply chain, transportation, logistics. That part of the supply chain is the source of innovation and change. The fact that that's changing means if you can capitalize on it, you can move up, you can move forward, you can be in a position of kind of decision making and leadership, and we can help you do that.